How to delete Gmail account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your Gmail account from your device. So first, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account under the gmail.com, and once you're inside here, just click on your profile and head over to your manager account section. And once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page, and over here in the search bar simply search in for the delete my account option. And once you search in for that, simply click on your delete your account option, and it will ask you to verify it that it's really you. So let me just verify it. And once you verify that it's you will be redirected to this page, and inside here you will have to click on or enable every single option like this if you want. And after that, simply click on delete your account option button from here, and once you do that, your account will be permanently deleted, and you can still be recover it for some days according to the Google. And that is it guys. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.